Hi friends, welcome back to Simple Daily Remedies. Today I will show the recipe of cauliflower 65 or Gobi 65. Take one medium-sized cauliflower and cut into small pieces. Wash them and soak in hot water for 1 minute. Next, into the mixing bowl I am adding half a cup of besan, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, some salt to taste, 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. Give a good mix. Add some water and mix well. Next I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of food color. This is completely optional. Next add cauliflower pieces and coat them with masala mixture. Heat some oil in a kadai. Next add cauliflower pieces and fry them in medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. They became crispy. At this point, add some curry leaves and 2 chopped green chilies. Fry them for 1 minute. It's done. I will take them out with the tissue paper. Our crispy and delicious cauliflower 65 or Gobi 65 is now ready. For Telugu recipes, subscribe to my channel Mana Magic Kitchen. I will leave the link below. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.